A hybrid of spearmint and watermint, peppermint is a fragrant member of the mint family. The pleasant, minty flavor and health advantages of this plant, which is native to Europe and Asia, have been appreciated for thousands of years. Breath mints, candies, and other foods all contain peppermint as an ingredient. In addition, a lot of individuals drink peppermint tea, which has no caffeine. Menthol, menthone, and limonene are just a few of the essential oils found in peppermint leaves. Peppermint's cooling effects and recognizable minty aroma are a result of menthol. While peppermint tea is frequently consumed for its flavor, it also have the following numerous benefits that can enrich your overall health.
You certainly have heard about mint, but did you know there is another kind of mint? Peppermint, whose scientific name is Mentha piperita, is a plant that can be used in natural medicine besides being a great aromatic herb. Just like its cousin mint, peppermint can be used to treat pains and stomach issues, muscle inflammations, headaches, and morning sickness. Easily found, it has antibacterial and antiviral properties and is also anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and analgesic. Besides all that, peppermint can also be used for 1. Digestive issues, nausea and vomiting. Peppermint soothes the stomach, helping treat digestive issues and also easing nausea and vomiting. 2. Helps with cases of gas and irritable bowel. Peppermint can also be used to calm down the intestine, thus helping reduce gas production and naturally contributing to treat irritable bowel. 3. Muscular and nerve pains and inflammations. Did you know that using peppermint essential oil helps alleviate the pain and inflammation of muscles? So in cases of muscle or nerve pain, aches caused by physical activities, or rheumatic pains, you can use some peppermint oil to massage the sore area. Stay tuned for the next video when we will teach you how to make a recipe using peppermint oil. The same goes for headaches or migraines. In this case, you just need to apply a mixture of peppermint oil with some vegetable oil. It can be coconut, almond, or grapeseed, directly over your forehead or on your temples. 4. Swelling. Besides being helpful with pain, peppermint oil also helps with swelling on your body since it calms down, refreshes, and stimulates blood circulation. Is this video being helpful to you? Then give it a thumbs up and share it with your family or friends. 5. Cough and the common cold. Using this herb will clean your lungs, calm down throat inflammation, reduce coughing, and also unclog your nose. 6. Oral issues and bad breath. Did you know that peppermint tea can help reduce the pain and inflammation of mouth sores? You just need to use the tea for inhalation, mouth rinses, or gargles. If your issue is bad breath, you can also chew on some peppermint leaves. 7. Skin issues, itching, and urticaria. Peppermint is great for treating skin issues thanks to its anti-inflammatory and soothing actions. In this case, you can prepare a mixture of peppermint essential oil and some vegetable oil, coconut, almond, or grapeseed, and apply it over the affected area. Do you still want to learn how to make peppermint tea? You will need 2 teaspoons dried peppermint leaves, whole or crushed, or 2 to 3 fresh leaves, 5 ounces boiling water. Put the peppermint leaves in a cup and fill it with the boiling water. Let the infusion rest for 5 to 7 minutes, then strain. Drink this tea 3 to 4 times a day, preferably after your meals. Avoid drinking this tea in excess since some of the side effects of peppermint can include allergic reactions on the skin, such as itching, burning sensation, redness, or urticaria, and also irritation of the stomach mucosa, causing stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, bloating, or bad digestion. Peppermint tea is also not recommended during pregnancy or lactation, since it can pass into breast milk and alter its smell and taste, which might hinder breastfeeding. Now tell us, did you know the benefits of this herb already? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.